Hello students, how are you all? So today we will discuss about the length chapter, and this is the second part of our length chapter. So till now we have discussed about the longer and the shorter one. As we can see in the picture, there is a shorter pencil and there is a longer pencil, and we have done all these exercises. Okay, and after that there is the longest and the shortest one. So in this also we can see the difference between the longest, that is the tube light, and the shortest one, that is the crayon pencil. And this is the exercise what we have done. Now the taller and the shorter. So there is a tree which is the taller one, and this is the shorter one, and we have done this exercise. And same as it is, which is the tallest and the shortest one, we have to find these differences. So now we will do the another part of this chapter. So thick and the thin one. So we have to find out which book is thick and which book is thin. So let me take the correct answer. This is the thick one and this is the thin one. So likewise we will be doing this exercise, like tick the thick and cross out the thin one. So which is the thick one? This is the thick one. And which is the thin one? This is the thin one. Now we have write X for thick and Y for thin in the box. So this is the thin one, we have written Y over here, and this is the thick one, means X we have written over here. Color the thick candle as red and thin candle as yellow. So here students, we can write yellow for this thin candle and red for the thick candle. Okay students, so students, you have to color these candles in your book. Okay, I have written the name, you have to color it. Then the thickest and the thinnest. So thickest is the book, which we can see here, and thinnest is the paper, which is here. So let's understand more by doing the exercise. Take the thickest and cross out the thinnest one. So which is the thickest? That is A. We can see here that is thickest, and this is B, which is the thinnest one. So we have to cross it like this. So now we will do the another one, like ring 0, ring the thickest and tick the thinnest one. So which is the thickest one? The bucket, which we can see here, is the thickest one. And which is the thinnest one? This is the bottle, what we can see here. Okay, to ring it. Okay, you have to do it like this. Now color the thickest pillow as red and color the thinnest pillow as blue. So we have to find out which is the thickest and which is the thinnest. So B is the thickest one, that means it will be colored as red, and D is the thinnest one, so we will color it as blue. Okay student, so now we have done this much. Now we will be studying about the which is nearer or which is very much close to us, and which is further, which is far away from us. So there is an image of a cat and a mouse. They are nearer to each other, and there is a bee cat which is further from them. Like we can see here, they are nearer and she is further. Okay students, so like we will also understand this by doing this exercise, like tick the glass nearer to the jug, cross out the glass further from the jug. So here we can see here, like this is the nearer to the jug, so we will take this. Okay students, and this is the further from the jug, so we will cross out like this. Okay students, so again, take the ball nearer to the bat and bring the ball further to the bat. Simple. This is the ball which is further from the bat, so I have circled it, and this is the ball which is closer or nearer to the cricket bat. So now we have a picture over here and we have to color it. Like, color the yellow, the banana near the monkey. That means this is the banana and we have to color it with yellow. Okay, color green banana further from the monkey. So this is the banana which is further from the monkey. Okay students, this is how we have to color it. So now again we can nearest or furthest. So here is a key and a lock and two keys. Key A is furthest from the lock. Key C is nearest to the lock. So we can see here there are three keys and two keys are away from the lock and one key is nearer to the lock. So as it is, we can be doing the exercise over here. Like, take the toy nearest to the girl. Like, this is the toy which we can see here or here. Okay, that is nearer to the girl, and this is the toy which is furthest from the away from the girl. Likewise, take the girl nearest to the lady. Circle the girl far from the lady. So here we can tick both of them. They are nearer to the lady and she is the one who is away from the lady. Ring the cup furthest from the kettle and cross out the nearest one to the kettle. So in this also, this is the furthest one, so we have to circle it like this, and there are the nearest one, so we have to cross it.